Dear students, in the last section we have seen software process. In this section we will see software characteristics. So the first software characteristics is software does not wear out. This is the very well known bathtub curve, and this is for the hardware. Okay. So the hardware project is having the three phases: burn-in phase, useful life phase, and wear-out phase. Here in the initial burn-in phase, failure intensity of the hardware is high because the developer is developing the hardware and there is a chance of the failures. So that is why here the developer is reducing the fault and it is he or she is fixing the faults. This is the useful life phase where the hardware is used by the customer. Okay, but after some time that hardware project is also the failure intensity is increased because of the wearing out of the components. So that is why we have to wear out the hardware components. But in the software does not having a wear out phase. Here the software may becomes the obsolete because of the environment change or because of the requirement of the customer change. So software does not wear out, but instead software becomes the absolute. So this is the first characteristics of software, that software does not wear out. Second characteristics is software is not manufactured. So the life of the software is from concept exploration to the retirement of the software product. So it is a one-time development effort and continuous maintenance effort. We can develop the software only once, but we have to maintain that software by removing the bugs and the failure in that. So in order to keep the software operational, it is necessary to maintain that software, and however making the 1000 copies of the software does not require any cost. But in case of hardware product, if we want to develop the 1000 product of that hardware, then we require the 1000 time cost for that hardware product. So in that sense, we cannot manufacture the software in the classical sense because it does not require any cost to make the 1000 copies. Third characteristics is reusability of components. If you want to develop any hardware product, then we can reuse the software hardware components. Like if you want to manufacture the TV, then we can reuse the picture tube, we can reuse the cabinet, we can reuse the graphics card, and then we assemble the TV. But in case of software, every project is the new project. We start from scratch, means there is nothing and we have to start that software product. And as we develop the software product, it increases the cost of the software product. Here we cannot reuse the software. And the last characteristics is software is flexible. So as we know, we can develop the software for any concept, for anything we can develop the software. So these characteristics may be the best and may help us to accommodate any kind of change in the software. If we want to update our program, if we want to update our software, then we can update our software. So that is why this is the characteristics, that software is flexible, means we can change our software according to the customer requirement, according to our need. So these are the software characteristics. First is software does not wear out. Second, software is not manufactured. Third, reusability of components. And fourth is software is flexible. Okay, thank you.